Did you know that Sam Altman, the brain behind ChatGPT and a key figure in the AI revolution, shares income sources with tech giants like Elon Musk and Bill Gates? Sam Altman, born on April 22, 1985, in Chicago, Illinois, is a name that's become synonymous with artificial intelligence, innovation, and entrepreneurship. From his early success as the co-founder of Loop to becoming the CEO of OpenAI, Altman has steadily built his influence and fortune in the tech world. But it's not just his involvement with OpenAI that has led to his success. His ventures span across AI, investments, and leadership roles in some of the most significant technology advancements of our time. In this comprehensive look, we'll break down Sam Altman's impressive net worth and the diverse income streams that have fueled his financial journey, from AI leadership to lucrative investments. Prepare to be captivated by the story of how this tech visionary built his wealth and why he's considered one of the most pivotal figures shaping the future of technology.
The scientific progress we're going to see. I'm a big believer that real sustainable improvements in quality of life come from scientific and technological progress, and I think we're going to have a lot more of that.
Early life and first steps in tech. Sam Altman's journey began in St. Louis, Missouri, where he grew up in a supportive environment that fostered his natural curiosity for technology. At the age of 8, he learned how to program a computer, igniting a lifelong passion for innovation. Altman attended Stanford University to study computer science, but like many tech visionaries, he dropped out to pursue bigger ambitions. His first major entrepreneurial success came with the launch of Loop, a location-based social networking app, in 2005. The app gained significant attention and raised over $30 million in venture capital. Although Loop didn't become a massive hit, it was eventually sold for $43.4 million to Green Dot Corporation in 2012. This early success not only provided Altman with crucial experience, but also began to set the foundation for his future wealth and influence in Silicon Valley.
The world had a 2-week freakout with GPT-4, right? This changes everything. AGI is coming tomorrow. There are no jobs by the end of the year. And now people are like, why is it so slow?
Breakthrough with Li Combinator and rising influence. While Altman's time with Loop provided him with a solid footing, it was his role with Li Combinator that significantly boosted his status and wealth. After joining the startup accelerator in 2011, Altman quickly rose through the ranks, and by 2014, he was appointed as president of Li Combinator. Under his leadership, Li Combinator became a powerhouse in the startup world, helping to launch tech unicorns such as Airbnb, Dropbox, and Stripe. Altman's leadership not only transformed Y Combinator, but also allowed him to secure equity in some of the most successful startups of the past decade. His position as president expanded his influence, opened doors for lucrative investments, and contributed immensely to his growing net worth. By the time he stepped down in 2019, Altman had already established himself as a key figure in Silicon Valley, both financially and as an innovation leader. OpenAI and the AI revolution. Sam Altman's most defining moment came when he became the CEO of OpenAI, the artificial intelligence research lab he co-founded in 2015. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, but it has also positioned itself as a leader in the booming AI industry. Under Altman's guidance, OpenAI launched ChatGPT, an AI language model that took the world by storm in 2022. With Microsoft investing $10 billion in OpenAI, this strategic partnership has played a massive role in boosting both OpenAI's and Altman's financial standing. Although OpenAI is a capped profit organization, Altman's involvement in this revolutionary technology, coupled with his leadership, has placed him in a unique position to influence and benefit from the AI revolution. His work with OpenAI has not only made him a public figure, but also solidified his place as a key player in the ongoing AI boom, contributing significantly to his wealth. Strategic investments in tech and startups. Sam Altman's wealth is not just a result of his leadership roles, but also his keen eye for strategic investments. Over the years, he has astutely poured his resources into a diverse portfolio, ranging from promising tech startups to cutting-edge AI platforms. His investments in companies like Airm, Reddit, and Stripe have proven to be remarkably lucrative, capitalizing on the meteoric rise of technology-driven businesses in the past decade. Altman's ability to identify groundbreaking ideas early on has allowed him to amass a substantial amount of wealth, complementing his impressive entrepreneurial ventures and leadership roles. This multifaceted approach, blending business acumen, innovative thinking, and savvy investing, has been the driving force behind Altman's ever-growing net worth, solidifying his influence and impact far beyond his immediate projects. It is this unique combination of skills and foresight that has propelled him to the forefront of the tech and startup landscape, making him a force to be reckoned with in the world of strategic investments. Income from board memberships and advisory roles. Sam Altman's wealth extends far beyond his involvement with OpenAI, the groundbreaking artificial intelligence company he co-founded and leads. In addition to his investments and leadership role at OpenAI, Altman serves on the boards of several prominent companies and organizations, leveraging his expertise in technology, startups, and AI to provide valuable insights and guidance. His most notable board position was with Reddit, the popular online platform with millions of users worldwide. These advisory and board roles often come with equity compensation, further contributing to Altman's growing financial portfolio. By remaining at the forefront of technological advancements, Altman maintains his influence and ensures that he continues to shape the future while also benefiting financially from these ventures. His ability to strategically position himself as a sought-after advisor and board member has allowed him to diversify his income streams, solidifying his status as a key figure in the tech industry. The impact of Microsoft partnership and AI development. Sam Altman's financial standing has received a substantial boost from the groundbreaking partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI, the AI company he co-founded and leads. The $10 billion investment by Microsoft in OpenAI is one of the largest tech deals in recent memory, and it has had a transformative impact on Altman's personal wealth. The collaboration has accelerated the development and deployment of AI technologies, particularly the widely popular ChatGPT, allowing Altman and his team to push the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. Backed by Microsoft's vast infrastructure and resources, OpenAI's valuation continues to soar, directly influencing Altman's net worth. Altman's pivotal role in orchestrating this partnership has not only solidified his status as a leading figure in the AI field, but has also ensured that his personal wealth will continue to grow as new, innovative technologies emerge. With AI set to play an increasingly influential role in shaping the future, Altman's involvement in this dynamic space promises to keep his financial fortunes on an upward trajectory. Philanthropy and contributions to society. Despite his growing wealth, Sam Altman has remained committed to giving back. His philanthropic efforts focus primarily on scientific research and future-oriented projects. He's a strong advocate for supporting the development of technologies that will benefit society as a whole, rather than just a select few. Altman has also donated to initiatives that support education and the ethical development of AI, ensuring that the technology he's helped pioneer is used responsibly. His philanthropic endeavors reflect his forward-thinking mindset, as he recognizes the importance of ensuring that AI and other technologies benefit humanity. Altman's wealth allows him to contribute to causes that align with his vision for the future, making him not only a successful entrepreneur, but also a dedicated advocate for positive societal change. Net worth breakdown and future outlook. Sam Altman's staggering $500 million net worth is a testament to his remarkable ability to capitalize on the transformative power of technology, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. As the co-founder and leader of the groundbreaking AI company OpenAI, Altman has skillfully leveraged his expertise to build a diverse and lucrative financial portfolio, drawing from multiple sources of wealth. From his strategic leadership roles and astute investments to his pioneering partnerships with tech giants like Microsoft, Altman has consistently positioned himself at the forefront of technological advancements, ensuring that his personal fortunes have grown in lockstep with the rapid evolution of AI. Looking ahead, with the continued exponential growth of the AI industry and Altman's active involvement in shaping the future of this dynamic field, his net worth is poised to climb even higher. Altman's keen eye for identifying emerging trends, coupled with his innovative approach to business, has cemented his status as a prominent figure in the tech landscape, making him a sought-after advisor and board member for numerous high-profile companies and organizations.
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.